Ngila sakhi bahadian gajing pensange no ya gajing penlip boarding ke babon kenta ha kesisngi. Ha kepor ke babon kempoi perkat syo. Gajing penlip boarding kala jabiang. Kumta o menteri rangba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kesipalai jong katayo ulapan pau ya gajing kimi ilenti ba kesorkar jela kan sala ban pensange no ya gajing penlip boarding jong ka MEECL hapo ka laipun riau ne sapu prakenta banwan ha kejela. Haba pentip bau menteri ketenat boarding kejela James PK Sangma uladan ha kenong ba Delhi banyakran penbet yakni kejing jong kejela bat ketenat boarding ke Sorkar Pedeng lembat ke National Thermal Power Corporation.
Habayakran bat kilat pathai kubor kejela menteri rangba kejela ula pentip ba kejing hap penlip boarding jong ke MEECL kadai kebaja kensan bat ke sorka jela kadap da kejing lengo bantip ba kadau jong ke ni kejing kadai tang namar jong ke company National Thermal Power Corporation ka bakhang lenti ya kejela bantiet boarding naka handai na kiwe ki company penmi boarding jong ke sorkar Pedeng. Uang bakajing le jong ke National Thermal Power Corporation kadai na markajing saram jong ke MEECL hagis nam balalait no watla ke MEECL kala sangi banshim boarding nagane ke company nado ke snam arajar khat new. Uong bakajing kami namar ke hukum jong ke tenat boarding jong ke Sorkar Pedeng kabalapen mi iki kendon thmai bakajing de boarding seki jela kadai ban yakno lengba ke National Load Dispatch Center bat ke North Eastern Region Load Dispatch Center kabakmi iki jela ka thanche te lamingi. Uang baka National Thermal Power Corporation kalakhang lente ya ke jela banbo ya ke jingdawa boarding ha ke portal jong ke North Eastern Region Load Dispatch Center bat dai namar kane ke jela kam yo shu banthit boarding wat ne kiwe ki company ru katkom ke jing ong jongu ke MEECL kala pensaram hadu South Park Klur Tingka sa ke NTPC bat dangshan kala depsiu ya ke ram ke basis Park Klur Tingka lengba ke ram ke Lashim naka Atma Nirbhar Bharat Abhiyan scheme jong ke Sorkar Pedeng ka balong khatlai spa Klur Tingka. Uong bakajala kala kular ya ke NTPC ban sasiu pen khoi no ya karam baro bat dai halor ka ni hi ka nongrem ba menteri katanat boarding ulalet shadeli banyakran penben bat ke NTPC lamban katanat ki kom boarding jong ke Sorkar Pedeng.
And we were completely surprised. If the companies that are supplying to us stop us, we can understand. But here there was a company who's not supplying to us, but through different channels and different systems and different technologies available, they stopped the supply from another company to which, we're having a proper relationship and all payments and everything been done. So that is number one. So it was very unexpected, never happened before, and took us by surprise. The third aspect is that there are certain agreements that were done with NTPC in relation to the Bongaigaon power plant in the year 2007. And based on that agreement, most of the Northeast states need to compulsorily take power from this plant. And in case plant is, they don't take the power from this plant, then they have to pay a minimum fixed charge to NTPC. So that means even if you don't take a single unit also, that agreement, which was signed 10, 12 years back, requires us to pay a minimum charge to NTPC. Now, this agreement has put a lot of burden on the state, the MECL. And of course, there are a number of discussions, number of letters have been sent to Government of India and to NTPC to revise this agreement. Because we had requested Power Ministry that since we are not taking power from them, it's unfair for NTPC to regulate the power supply being given by another company. That's number one, and we've clarified that, and Minister has agreed, and discussion is taking place. NTPC has asked for some, conditions that have to be met, and they would like certain LC to be opened up again, and those discussions are on. So, Honorable Minister was in Delhi for 2 days. He has had discussions with the Power Minister as well as with NTPC. So, those aspects have been worked out. We are hopeful that in the next 36 hours to 48 hours, we should be able to deregulate the power, the supply that has been done, and we should be able to come back to normalcy.